Zoe has all the toys in the world, but she'll play with the box, the empty box. Huh, Zoe? And she wants to nibble on Ivanka. She just took a nap and she got up. Where's your box, Zoe? Where's your box? Empty box she wants to play with. She has all the toys. Empty box and the buzz. So these are the colored lights we've put. And they are on in the day also mostly. Pretty nice, right? And Christmas means always red coffee mug. So this is the Le Creuset coffee mug. And why I'm talking about it is because it makes a great Christmas gift for someone you care for. It's red, it's just the right size for a lovely cup of coffee or tea. And you can, surprise them with a good brand. So otherwise mugs are like any brand, right? But Le Creuset is French made, it's good quality, it hopefully lasts for years and years. So we've had this for maybe 3-4 years. I love it. Every Christmas it's out and enjoying coffee. Nice. Hey guys, good morning. I'm out with Zoe. It's such a rainy morning. The whole lawn is wet. But we just came out to play and hopefully she'll pee also. It's going to be a wet weekend and cold, little cold. Last 2 days the weather was quite nice, but now it's cold. Anyways, we'll continue talking inside. Just want to show you how wet and cold it is. Toy, come on, throw it. Shall I throw it? Shall I throw it? Bench is all wet. And thankfully the fence, the cement has all dried up now. So all the cement has dried up before the rain started. So that's good. These lights we put here are waterproof lights. They look really good in the night especially. Yeah, looking good. So now it's Sunday morning and Zoe's created a big mess as always. But it's a little wet outside, so we're not taking her out. And the trainer's going to be here at about 7:30. No, the trainer's here at 11. What has Karishma made me? Ooh, omelette. Thank you. While I was watching Zoe, Karishma did the honors and made me some nice omelette. And now Zoe will want to eat half of my omelette. That's how it is. So yeah. It's the last week before Christmas. And the kids have, they're busy this week, but then they're off the week of Christmas right up till the New Year. And yeah, just wanted to make this video about a couple of things. One is that we keep playing Christmas songs every day. Check out Zoe, she wants to climb and eat what's on my plate. So I'm going to put it up just so she doesn't attack it. But yeah, vlogging with a dog and food in your hand is not easy. Zoe, come here. Zoe, there's no food there. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Zoe. Yeah. So there's an issue with my Subaru number plate. They've taken it's now 4 months the DMV hasn't got the Subaru number plate. See now she wants, I'll give her a small piece of toast. Come down. Sit, 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 sit. Good, sit. Yeah, the Subaru is taking months and months to get the permanent number plate. I don't know, there's some delays with the DMV. For the BMW bike and car, we got it very quick. But Subaru, we are still going with the temporary number plate, which is a little painful. Every month we have to go and renew it. It takes 5 minutes, but it's a big pain. So now 4 months it's not come. And another thing is I've been really missing the Jeep a lot. So after Zoe has joined the family, we are like totally finding the Subaru and everything very small, because she's going to grow to about 80-90 pounds. So let's see what the plan is. Maybe another Jeep, maybe a bigger SUV. I don't know. Karishma's also wondering like what should we get next, but maybe nothing also. We do need 3 cars with Darren, Karishma and me driving every week. We kind of doing juggling between 2 cars, which is fine for now because Karishma works from home 3 days a week. But with Zoe growing bigger and bigger, Subaru's too tiny and the Beamer is looking too clean and posh to have a dog in it. So we may need something in the middle, big size but dog friendly. So yeah, let me know guys if you feel the Jeep should come back or something else you suggest. Don't give me some names of luxury cars. We're not looking at a luxury SUV or anything, but maybe nothing also. So Karishma's standing there giving me dirty looks because she knows I'm planning to buy another car. So yeah, Zoe's chilling now and the trainer's coming at 11. So that's the plan for Sunday. I created a short video with Aussie. Aussie visited us yesterday. They were just running like mad people. Yeah, she hates this vacuum cleaner. Zoe, it'll start and you'll get burnt. Huh? You'll get a shock. Zoe, come here. Come here. So she's trying to start the vacuum cleaner. Karishma is going to help because I'm vlogging. Alright, so this is the egg white omelette which I'm going to eat now. And it's got chili, a little cheese, toast without butter and some ketchup. Yeah, so guys, that's the video for today. Short and sweet. Zoe's in the crate because she'll otherwise keep wanting my food, which I don't want to give her this food. She has her own food. She had it at 6:30 in the morning. So weekends I manage the morning session and weekdays Karishma does. So it's all team effort with the dog. Yeah, she's crying now because she's been crated again. Okay, signing out. Ryan Vlogs Live on Instagram. Follow me there. Take care guys. Bye.